Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and this is the tension rod from BloomFlower. If you're looking for a solution where you don't have to screw into your tile or your tub surround, but you want to mount a shower curtain rod, this is the perfect solution. We have been using this for quite a while now. It stays up really well. It has not budged. So easy to put in, no screws like I said. All you do is twist it for tension as tight as you possibly can, and it will not move. I love that it's in this really nice matte black finish, very modern and stylish, but does the job so well. And the extra bonus of including the shower curtain hooks. Okay guys, I have used all kinds of different hooks. I have never seen a hook like this or used a hook like this, and it is amazing. So not only does it glide along the rod really well, it also has the hooks on each side. So when you want to replace your liner, you don't have to take off the whole thing, or if you want to wash your shower curtain, you don't have to take everything apart. You can just choose which side you want to adjust. Love that feature. So as you can see from the end, it's got a really nice grippy part here so it doesn't slip around. Great for all kinds of applications. So if you're looking for something for your bathroom, I think this one is a fantastic option. I'm so pleased with it, and that's my point of view.